Hello, ladies and gents. It's me, Julius Lowe, aka Cage, here with some philosophical, theoretical, scientific news, I guess is the best way to say it. Basically, what I want to talk about is the fact that there's a virus out there, um, and it's called, what is it called? Toxoplasmosis. Now, this virus has actually been around for a while, apparently. It's just not very well known. Um, the reason I've recently looked it up, tried to learn a little bit about it, is because of a weird trait that it causes in the brain. Now, right now, the virus is hard to catch. The only way to catch it is to either come in contact with infected raw meat or to come in contact with feces from someone or something that was infected. So it's not the easiest virus in the world to run into. But what makes me bring it up is that it has a interesting effect on the behavioral pattern of things that get infected with it. For instance, rats or mice that get infected with this virus, uh, it makes them have no fear of cats. It actually causes some of them to actively seek out cats, which is beneficial to the virus because the cats will then eat the mice and they will become infected. So the virus actually takes control of the mice brain and causes them to commit suicide by cats. Now, the crazy thing is, even though this virus is known to infect cats and mice and stuff more often, it's actually possible for humans to contract it. They've been trying to do studies to see if it causes the same kind of effects on humans, and they have seen an increase in like they found that some traffic accidents and things were caused by people who actually had this virus. But there's such a small number of people who have the virus that it's been basically impossible to do an in-depth study. But what makes it really scary is they said like they've done like random tests on large numbers of people to see how many dormant strands of this virus is out there, and they found that over 1/3 of the world's population currently carry a version of Toxoplasmosis infection, one form or another. 1/3 of the population. They said about 10% of people in the U.S. ages 6 to 49 of men, 11% of women ages 15 to 44. And then let's see what else. It says out of 273 people in France that they measured, it was 47% of people in France have it. 21% of pregnant women in Israel. Basically, there's a large number of people in the world that have some strand or another of this virus. It's just dormant. It's not causing any problems. Here's my hypothetical, theoretical question: is what if this virus, like, what if something happens, either something that affects the entire world, like if the ozone layer gets thinner and some type of airborne bacteria, spreads, or what if one way or another this virus mutates and wakes up? Like, there goes 1/3 of the population of the world right there. Like, just that quickly, 1/3 of everybody's dead. They're like probably just start committing suicide. It would, like, if you've seen the movie The Happening, probably go down something like that. So instantly things are getting crazy. All right. Who knows how contagious it's going to be? Probably going to spread to more than 1/3 of the population. I'm just saying that this virus has the potential to cause untold catastrophe. And there's lots of people already infected with it. And it's just kind of sitting there, minding its own business. I just think that's kind of interesting. You know, kind of weird and kind of scary. What do you guys think?